You know, as a musician, I've had my fair share of flutes, but I've got to say, there's one that really stands out to me, the Yamaha YFL 222 Intermediate Flute. It's got some amazing features that make it perfect for student musicians, especially those who are just starting to get serious about their craft. This flute is designed for the intermediate level, but it's also great for advanced beginners who want to take their playing to the next level. One of the things that sets it apart is its offset G key system. This means that the G key is positioned on the side of the flute, rather than on the top, which makes it much easier to play and allows for more comfortable fingerings. That's a game changer for any flute player, trust me. Now, let's take a closer look at the specs. First of all, it's got a nickel-silver body, which is not only durable but also gives it a beautiful shine. The silver-plated keys are a great touch too. They're durable and resistant to rust, which means you can play your heart out without worrying about damaging your instrument. It's also an international version, so you can use it anywhere in the world without any issues. Another great feature is that it's made in Japan, which is known for its high-quality manufacturing. That means you can trust that this flute is built to last and will perform well for years to come. And let's not forget the price, it's very affordable, especially considering the quality you get. So, let me paint a picture for you. You're a student musician, and you're just starting to get into the swing of things. You're practicing every day, and you need an instrument that's going to keep up with you. The Yamaha YFL 222 Intermediate Flute is perfect for that. You can imagine yourself practicing in the morning, getting ready for a big performance in the evening, and then having the confidence to know that your flute is going to sound great no matter what. But what about when you're not practicing? Maybe you're just hanging out with friends, and you want to bust out your flute for a quick tune. That's exactly what this flute is for, to inspire creativity and passion in your playing, no matter where you are or what you're doing. And with its durable construction, you can play it whenever, wherever, without worrying about damaging it. So, what's the verdict? I give the Yamaha YFL 222 Intermediate Flute an 8 out of 10. The offset G key system is a huge plus, and the nickel-silver body and silver-plated keys are top-notch. The only downside is that it might be a bit pricey for some students, but trust me, it's worth it. If you're serious about taking your flute playing to the next level, this is the instrument for you. If you want to check out the Yamaha YFL 222 Intermediate Flute for yourself, the link is in the description below. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more music gear reviews. Thanks for watching.